I am on an absolute heater right now, my friends. On a heater again today. Locking in profit, walking away, easy peasy, mac and cheesy. I'm going to show you how I turned $3,000 into $10,000 right here in this video. The proof, it's all live. It's all very much real. There's my account number. Look at it. Let's get into it, my friends. What's going on, guys? Patrick here. It's making it really quick, making it really easy for you. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this just so you can see it's all live. It's all very much real. The market's moving, blah, blah, blah. So if we go here to my performance data right now in this small account, I showed you guys this account, I think either Monday or Sunday, whenever it was, maybe Sunday. And you can see today, again, $1,200 in profit, 0 losers, no losers, still just nice and easy. If we go here, we look at the account balance for the month so far. This month in September, the month of September, you can see starting out with $3,486, currently sitting at $10,000 there for the month of September so far. If we go back to our performance, we click on the month right here. Again, this is all live, it's all very real. You can see my actual account. This is not paper trading, blah, blah, blah. And the total on the month right now, $7,000 in profit. Trade fees, 33 trades, 0 losers, $7,000 in profit. As you can see here, the time of day, 9:30, $4,000 basically made between 9:30 and 10 o'clock. So the big focus for me right now is trading the open and then walking away. You can see, like, you know, I'm not really even taking big home run trades. 840 is my largest trade. I'm only trading with 2 contracts here on the Nasdaq because I really wanted to make this account to show you guys, first off, that you could turn $3,000 into $10,000 only trading 2 contracts, just trading breakouts, not needing to spend, you know, your whole entire life trying to figure out how to trade and all of that stuff. So the big focus here, guys, is simplicity, very simple setups, making money in the morning and then walking away. And as you can see, it's all there. It's real. So on the month right now in this account, going from $3,000 up to $10,000 with 0 actual losers, no losing trades. Yes, it's not that easy, but it is kind of that easy. But let's talk about what is the setup here, Patrick. What are you trading? Now, this is a setup that we talk about a lot, obviously, in the market flow trader community. What do we have here? This is the 1-minute chart. We had basically this open. We had this high, had this high, had that high right there. So all we're looking for is a couple things. What I would really want to see happen is, first off, that we kind of hold. We want to hold like a key level. Now, going into open, where is the key level? I would say the key level was pretty much the VWAP 15,500 level. The low on that candle right there was 93. I said during the live stream, like, guys, if this starts ripping, it's got to go straight up. We want to see a massive rip, just straight up, show strength, bounce here, not get below the VWAP. We did not want to get below the VWAP. We wanted this thing to rip. So just kind of very basic understanding of how we trade this. We're looking for basically either like a bounce off that important level, which we got. We stayed above the VWAP there, and then we got the breakout. The high on that candle right there was 504. The high on that candle right there was 504. You could play this 2 different ways. You could play this little breakout above this previous high right there, or you could kind of wait until, I would say, this 10 level, this 08. So we have that double top right there at the 08. So pretty much waiting for that breakout there as the little bit maybe safer play. But, you know, you got 08s compared to 04s. So really only a 4-point difference. And like I said, live on YouTube, it was really one of those things where we wanted to go straight up. We did not want to get stuck there. And then you're looking for, like, where's your target at? Well, you had this CPI report high. If we go to the 3-minute chart here and just kind of look to the left, I always look to the left. I figure out where my resistance is, right? Okay. We're looking to the left here at open. We have resistance there at the 23s. We also had a pivot point here at the 54. So we had a pivot point there at the 54s. And you can see how that 54 area acted as resistance. We pulled back that 15-minute opening range. We got the breakout here. And now trying to get up there into this session high right now, 613 level. So another pivot point there at the 26s. So very simple strategy that we use. It's all in the market flow trader community. And well, it's $500 to sign up. We've got the VWAP. We've got things like pivot points that we're looking at. Overall, I don't like to get short unless we're below the VWAP, and then I also don't really like getting long unless we're using the VWAP as support. So VWAP, very important in my strategy. The breakout strategy here, you can see on the 3-minute chart, kind of, we did get a little bit earlier of a breakout right before open, but I do want to wait until that opening volume comes in there and then get that big move. So from the 500s this morning up there to the 63s, and right now looking like she wants to go above this 620 level. We have that pivot point up there at the 626s for that next target right now, and just kind of moving up there. So just giving you guys a little update, turning the $3,000 into $10,000, real money, real trades, 33 trades, 33 trades, 0 losers. Now, I'm not sitting here bragging about the fact that you could do it the same. You know, everyone's a little bit different. Everyone needs a little bit more help and all that. But the big focus here is just finding a simplistic type of strategy. I know there's a lot of stuff going on with this chart right now, but in general, I mean, I really just love these breakouts, these breakdowns, you know, just kind of trading the momentum. We don't need to really predict where the market's going to go, but we're like, hey, at open, if we can hold here at the VWAP, well, guess what? We're going to squeeze up. We break below the VWAP, well, there's a chance we pull back into this level. You know, it's just basically looking for very simplistic ideas. And again, look at this, kind of bouncing here at the 600s. I could take this trade for that push up to the 20s, but I'm done for the day. I'm up about $9,000 on the day, and I don't really want to push it. But there she's trying to go through the 13 area, and then you got the 20s at their next. So there it is, the Nasdaq. We're live every morning, 9:15 a.m. If you guys want to check out the Market Flow Trader community, there's a link down below. Let's go, my friends.